What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video and the next video in the 392 build series. We're getting back on the cage. We have been held up with Trail Hero and getting people fixed up, and then the week after that we took off and just cleaned the shop. I bought another shipping container, got things organized so that way we could be more efficient in the shop. So we're back at it. So we've got all our tubes laid out. They're all prepped. JB is working on getting these base plates in place, and we went ahead and welded our main tubes together, fluffed and buffed there, and we're ready to start laying out the tubes. So we just got the two main hoops done that go from the A pillar to the D pillar, left and right. So those are in place. JB is getting our next tube cleaned up, making sure the inside and the outside of the tubes all clean. So that way we're getting a really nice weld.
How about we get yours started first? Because mine's going like there's no problem.
Right there.
You're in?
Yep. In?
In.
All right. So we just found where we prepped the tube. We needed to do a little bit more further to the rear. We thought the tube was going to go towards the front. It actually goes towards the rear. So JB is touching that up right now with the DA. So that way we get a good weld. After we get all of our crossbars in, so this one, and then the one where JB's at right now, we'll go ahead and wrap a ratchet strap around here and cinch everything closed and nice and tight, and then we'll go in and tack it all. All right, we just got the C pillar tacked in place. We have to do the other side, and then that wraps up the main structure. Then we just go in and start doing support tubes. I just wrapped up tacking the last tube. I'm gonna flip you all around and show you what we got done for today. So we got our main hoops in. all our pillars, so D, C, B pillar. These B pillars were kind of tricky getting them around the seat belts. They're very close, but they're in there. They're where they're supposed to be. Everything's tacked up. The fitment of this thing is really nice. We got the header bars in, and the intrusion bars turned out really good. Monday we're going to end up having to pop this tube out because we forgot to prep around here, so we'll pop that out, sand that all clean, put that back in. But turned out really nice. It's Monday morning and we are back on the cage project. Last week we got all the external tubes laid out. Now we're coming back in and adding all the support tubes. So JB has already got these header bars in place. He just got the harness bar located, and now he's working on the X bar. We'll get in here, get everything tacked up. Once he's got it all mocked up, we just wrapped up tacking in the X bar and harness bar. Now we just have to do the little grab handles right here and on the front. And then as for what we're doing right now, this is all tacked together. We're gonna have it all TIG welded, and then we will do the rest of the tubes. The reason that we're not doing the rear harness bar and this connection right in here, we're going to be outboarding some coilovers and going up through the tub. So we don't know where they're going to land in here, and I don't want to weld in this tube and then we have an issue with our coilover towers. So we're going to hold off. We're going to have all this welded, and then we can always come back and figure out what we're going to do with this rear tube and the harness bar.